Is it the right time to buy or sell Cloudflare stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Cloudflare. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, February 9, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Take advantage of the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since February 7, 2024, our system has ranked Cloudflare as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Over the past 3 days, Cloudflare has exceeded our expectations, delivering a remarkable gain of 29.48% since we first recommended buying it. This translates to an average return of 9.83% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system foresees high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the latest developments, we are unable to determine the stock's next direction, as it could go either way. The stock has recently broken a strong upward trend and shows signs of an even stronger rise. Any pullbacks may find support near the previous trend line at $92.89, offering a potential opportunity for further gains. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected change of 17.79% over the next quarter, with a possible return ranging from -10.72% to 1.38%. For the 12-month trend, it suggests a potential 37.63% change over the next year, with a possible return ranging from -25.10% to 10.25%. This implies a price range of $80.83 to $118.99 after 1 year. Our latest update for Cloudflare focuses on significant movements in its stock price on Friday, with a fluctuation of 10.34% between the high and low. On the last trading day, which was Friday, February 9, 2024, the Cloudflare stock price experienced a gain of 19.5%. It rose from $90.31 to $107.92. This marks the 4th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see whether this upward trend continues or if there will be a minor break in the next few days. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $105.03 and a high of $115.89. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has increased by 34.6%, and it has risen in 7 out of the last 10 days. Notably, the volume of shares traded on the last day increased along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 16 million more shares were traded compared to the previous day, resulting in a total of 32 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $3.48 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of Cloudflare stock was $115.89, while the lowest price was $39.91. Currently, the price is 6.88%, equivalent to $7.97, below the 52-week high and 51.31%, equivalent to $113.72, below the all-time high, which was reached on November 18, 2021, when the price reached $221.64. Analyst ratings. On Friday, February 9, 2024, RBC Capital upgraded net to an outperform grade while maintaining a hold action. On the same day, Needham gave net a buy grade with a hold action. Wells Fargo also upgraded net on February 9, 2024, giving it an overweight grade while maintaining a hold action. Susquehanna, on the same date, assigned net a neutral grade with a hold action. On Monday, July 31, 2023, RBC Capital upgraded net to an outperform grade while maintaining a hold action. Analysts have given Cloudflare stock a general rating of neutral. They consider the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price to book as a strong buy as well. However, for return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a sell rating. Today, we will be discussing the signals identified for Cloudflare stock. The Cloudflare stock has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relation between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, the stock will find support at $86.60 and $82.37. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it will issue sell signals. On Friday, January 5, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a rise of 41.48% so far. This suggests that there may be further rise until a new top pivot is found. Moreover, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal. The volume is rising along with the price, which is considered to be a good technical signal. These signals provide valuable insights for investors interested in Cloudflare stock. Stay tuned for more updates. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, which is giving a buy signal. Another indicator to consider is pivots, which gave a buy signal 25 days ago. Bollinger Bands are also showing a buy signal, but this occurred just 1 day ago. The short-term moving average is indicating a buy signal that happened 7 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average is also indicating a buy signal, but this occurred 4 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages gave a buy signal 3 days ago. Taking a look at the 12-month chart, we can see that the short moving average gave a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average also gave a buy signal, but this occurred 62 days ago. Similarly, the relation between the short and long moving averages gave a buy signal 55 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Cloudflare. When it comes to support levels, there are 2 key areas to consider for Cloudflare. Just below today's level, we have accumulated volume support at $90.31 and $84.68. Now, it's important to recognize the risks involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. For Cloudflare, the next support from accumulated volume would be at $90.31, followed by $84.68 and $84.66. Let's talk about the risk associated with this stock. Cloudflare typically has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. In the last day, the stock had a price range of $10.86, which is equivalent to 10.34% between the high and low. Looking at the last week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 6.46%. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Cloudflare, let's begin by understanding some important fundamental data. The first piece of information we need to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is either experiencing losses or has negative earnings. Established companies may face temporary downturns due to external factors. However, a consistently negative P/E ratio could be a sign of inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2024 is scheduled for April 25, 2024. Today, let's analyze potential day trading levels for Cloudflare. As we look at the accumulated volume, we find no significant resistance above. This indicates that the stock has the potential to move upward quickly, given the right conditions. If you decide to enter a position, keep an eye on the volume to determine the best time to exit. On the downside, Cloudflare has its first support level at $90.31. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. Cloudflare's average rating from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On February 7, 2024, Ledbetter Carl sold 7,162 shares of Class A common stock. On February 7, 2024, Ledbetter Carl sold 800 shares of Class A common stock. On February 8, 2024, Ledbetter Carl sold 39,671 shares of Class A common stock. On February 2, 2024, Seifert Thomas J. sold 15,000 shares of employee stock option, right to buy. On February 2, 2024, Seifert Thomas J. bought 15,000 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power ratio to be minus 34.680, indicating a negative trend. In total, insiders have purchased 460,573 shares and sold 957,598 shares in the last 100 trades. We highly recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $104.14, which represents a decrease of 3.5%. This particular stock exhibits moderate daily movements, which indicates a medium level of risk. Furthermore, there is a buy signal derived from a pivot bottom that was identified 24 days ago. Is Cloudflare stock a good buy? While Cloudflare holds several positive signals, we don't believe they are enough to consider it a buy candidate at the moment. It would be wise to hold or accumulate in this position and wait for further development. Our systems have analyzed the volatility and movements of Cloudflare stock for the last trading day, and they indicate that the current price is undervalued. On Monday, February 12th, we expect Cloudflare to open up $1.69 and start trading at $109.61. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Additionally, please note that the information provided by StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. Your investment decisions are your own responsibility, and you agree to hold yourself accountable for any outcomes. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock, and we want to hear your thoughts too. Share your opinions in the comments section below. We're curious to know, what target do you have in mind for this stock? Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Our goal is to help you succeed in your trading journey. Wishing you a successful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.